Aloha. Yes, my room is very messy at the moment. Yes, I'm losing my voice, so it's like an octave lower. And yes, I have disgusting regrowth. And yes, there is a very large red thing on my face, which is a result of wearing face paint every day for the next 2 weeks, which will be fun. Really, I'm not going to try and hide this because you can't hide it. There's nothing that I can put on that to hide it. And if I hadn't mentioned it, it's not one of those things that if you don't mention it, then people won't notice because, I mean, you can tell it's fairly red. It's fairly large. I don't think I need to... Anyway, that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is space. The one thing that really annoys me about space is the idea that... just the idea of a universe. Like, one universe which... in itself encases everything, everything that ever is or was or will be, everything. Like, it kind of makes me think of like a box, like a shoebox. Like you got a shoebox and there are lots of little things inside the shoebox, but you know that outside the shoebox there's a hell of a lot more. Can you imagine the universe being something that never ends and there is nothing outside the universe? I mean, I just can't fathom that kind of space, that kind of emptiness, that kind of... it's not empty, I mean, of course it's not empty, but you know what I mean? Like, you imagine the universe and you imagine black and you imagine stars and planets, but in my mind, when you see maybe like maps of like galaxies or like a map, it always has, obviously, it has corners, right? Because it's on a page, it has corners. The universe doesn't have corners. It has no boundaries. It has no corners. It doesn't have corners and it doesn't have boundaries, and that just amazes me that something like the universe that's so big and so vast and that is everything. I just can't imagine that it just makes my head hurt when I think about it. It just kind of just really frustrates me that the universe is everything and nothing can be outside the universe and the universe never ends. I mean, we probably will never know the vastness of the universe, and that just really annoys me, to be honest. And that's really all I've thought about in the topic of space, apart from Doctor Who. I started watching Doctor Who 2 weeks ago at season 5 with Matt Smith. I know I should have started sooner with David Tennant. Apparently everyone keeps saying I'm sorry. That's what I can say, I'm sorry. Feel free to leave hate comments, I don't mind. Until next time, I'm Ree on Wednesday bringing you that little bit extra, and we will see you on Friday, hopefully with Natalie. I say hopefully, but she will be there. She will be there. Take my word for it. And if she's not, then we will punish the heck out of her. Space